Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Kennedy Japan story amede bae no. Me hu ne se nkofo bibra send me audios. Nti mebo audios no. Na ebi mo so audios a wo mo asene me no. Wo mo ka nsem bi atoto me so. Nsem a I don't even know anything of. Na wo mo ka. Nti mebo audio no bebi a wo se meba na meba ebetrim no. Meba betrim. Nti ne yenkongo tie we Ghana ni bia wo abroche yengo tie ne audio no.
Melodies, good afternoon, our Ghana. Good afternoon, Church will be about Melody TV so. Oh, Yanko Podium. Melodies, all the anas can Japan story we have to say can Japan make a U-turn was included publish here. To which teaching. Na mama cause before say obechichi una say okutie de kana Japan kan ya asa what you say the way usika asem no fire
nti no aha say the first place amebem MZ Ghana ni ne kasa no say Melodies o say nkrofo bi na publish here mesrɛ mo nti ana me kan say me na say me ready asem atrɛ mo a emba mba yesa me Melodies na me kan nti no me de trɛ mo. And I showed it right in front of you. It was an article from GhanaWeb.com. It is all kinds of Melodies. O say in Crofobin a publisher. Yeah, not to say you may not make cartoon Crofone so. But it was all kind of say Melodies. Who read it from websites? Be my yen na yen huye. Into which video na? Into na me share that read it from the website. Emma will be here then will be a huye. So that's the first correction I made. Yen chaso na yen chin sema Ghana ni no. What kind?
Ansana. Wabe chichi match there. Asema wo kan say kana Japan. Another I try U-turn. Ebo anase abaso. Fine, kana Japan. All these years I want anase. Yes sir. Expose back and forth no. Kana Japan na say kwan ya anase nam so. An investigation. And I want to say yes sir enye kwan papa. Kwan a na-asị faso investigation no enye kwan papa a eso faso se wode ukọ trapu bi ansa na wode ache no no na da bia kana Japan asem o kan no what you say kwan of faso no ne sa investigation no enye kwan papa sa na kana Japan da bia o kan no ekwan ofa so ye na ade na da bia wo kan ho asema woni ne de preso se wo no enye kwan pa ofa so wow Melody wow wakojina Penas TV so aka the same thing say wo support anas but ekwan wo nam so ne na wo wani nye ho wo waka kan sa asem say de kan Japan so kan say ekwan anas nam so no ne nye ho cause untimi fasika enkoda da obi no wakotwa ne picture e de abeto wo sese said the wo Melody wo kase e wo Penas TV Matthew wasem bia wo kan e wo ne ga bi no wo say wo support anas but e kwan a wo fa so ye investigation na wo be the same thing ena kan Japan ka enti kan Japan asem wo kan ya ena mo se wo ye U-turn wo say
Mr. Media ade a mempe ene say ade a menye ye ne ye de to me so Wobi a wose me Melodies makwa kasa e wo Penas TV sub da bia no won send a link nembra Obi a wose me Melodies amigina hayi makwa Penas TV akwa ka say ane anas no and the me ni oba bia kasa no won send a link no me nkwa kasa wo Penas TV wo bebi aye mesra mo e bia na obi na akwa kasa e wo mimi din mu me Melodies ameti heyi mu ni me voice me nkwa gina Penas TV bebi anka he Penas TV ona no minim no ono nso ni me ye ni na ye nkrofo a ye adwuma baako YouTube na ye adwuma we have that relationship but Penas TV emba me channel so emba me kasada me nso me nko Penas TV channel so enko kasada It is a wo kasa me ma ko Penax TV ni oba akwa kasa se ende me kran no de senia anase adwuma no se me srew ntia na ma de send video no ana audio na se me melodies makwa kasa na wo me number send na fama me nko gina Penax nka he ade a me mpeno no ena no bi sanso na me wo ho ena wo bi frɛ me se ane me makwa gina baby edi na tem me melodies ame ya me audio Ibakuno si me di na tem. Na me kata Ibakuno say oh me. O say ane. Ibakuno no say o belong to way. O say your friend no Mama Bibi, Mama Ghana or say Mama Africa or say there. I was driving and Ibakuno friend me. And melodies wa kwa di ma tem. And I me Canada Japan and same ti wa kwa di ma tem. Na I say me melodies me di wa tem. Na kata say me sraw. Me di obi atem Mama Ghana or say Mama African, Mama Ken bi atem e wo be channel so me sre. So say me di wa tem wa. Who they send me the said video no was yana me send be 1 year ni on send it still mesremo ebia na wo bi around that wo kasa wo use me din and I say but you people know my voice me nko kasa wo Penax TV. Now let me address the second thing. You see and then ade we buy no ye twa ye ho aka say oh Canada Japan there he didn't have problem with Anas. They no can say the way Anas was doing things. Hey, ye ni ha say na Canada Japan kan any Anas ko fa baby say wo ko jijiska and ti judges no wo mu ni baako we nya stroke na wo mu mba ba bontin say Anas chantro to ne so na Anas ka say wo mu ntia e na wo ka say wo mu ntia na wo ka say ndi obeye no ye ni ha. Ena Kenya Japan ma judge bi ebetina ni TV so ka say no judge no wono okwa judge assembly a wo bi a ye friend Anas on Northern Region no say den a say nipa ko no susu say wo ya Anas we ni nua intia na no judge na Anas na ya ni ha say na wo be kan sa de no na ye ni ha na eye abrantie a wo Canada Japan show host Oba bonte beka say ane intia na judges ni na ye reinstate omo because ejuma na Anas ye fa wo mo hu ni na Anas transfer to omo so and then the eba no ye twa ye ho aka so Kenya Japan didn't have any problem with Anas. It was just with the way he was doing this. Mr. Remo, let's be frank and truthful to ourselves. If Kenya Japan just had the problem with the way Anas was doing his work, Naka Kenya Japan wouldn't stage this huge attack on Anas. But then Nana Mama Mwati say Yankongo tie where the mimbem, this is the last time I mimbem, but Yankongo tie nsemo agane ni no wakan.
Partially what you say. Yes, I endorse no. Was it partially? It's just still no. I can't be of first year now. Then one on the new said the old melody will come. And don't you say and then they will put that okay you can. The be as Hanoka. Okay you can. Make Casse Anas. And then they will endorse no. Sanas Anas a idea. Was so no crop, but you're worse than the Anas here. Side judges, but uncle the bribe. I don't think I want the information. A chess Anas no call bribe. Can the Japan so bear the chess but only the uncle bribe. But Anas and the corn fashion and the yes idea. A sick. I don't know find no account. And also there be a son of Japan worker. A crime Anas fashion, an investigation and an in who cry what could you not Penax TV so I can the same thing. To Susujiji Asemna Okano. Susujiji Asemna Okano, and yes, I or today. I don't know what I say over there a chair announced the no, but already own Koji bribe. I don't find no machine. Now the whole Kitano can't say partially. Can I Japan was it partially? It's just a little quite bisono. That is the whole kind of Penax TV who can say a quite bisono or open the announcement. The same thing. And also can Japan and then the BR or can say a quiet analysis Namso investigation and then any home what is Chicago that will be now training picture the Abayas Adian. Said the Penax. You know I am Prince Adian so a point of fast yen. Yeah, and you're quiet so fast on. And none can Japan. So what is the obey supposed are judges for no big time. But already on Franco Bravo, so be Maniska. On Franco blackmail. Sana Kenya Japan can Susuka, Gigi Sassam now. Wow, could you never be a Penax TV so can be? I don't know what to say. My one can say what's Ghana. Oh, an idea what could no now come, now can one of come Mattia. Was it partially? na wo partially na etirese anase dia wo ye nyina na wa endorse na na kwan ofa so ye na ade ni nyina na wa endorse no enye saa na kana Japan e ka masa na susu kasa ma wo kon ho nyintintini ese de wo chichiri mu na ne kre ne kre de be ne kre enye saa na kana Japan ka ti asem ni yie wo ko tie kana Japan asem ni yie no on sa wo ko penalty TV so on sa wo be defend kana Japan se wo sika na asem na se Ghana judges na eno ameye voice efa landlord no de Ghana judges kwasi asem kwa no mu die ebinom kwasi asem kwa no mu die na se before say o di ruling beba no na untie that one side na wo say can Japan no say wonya let it be a kire say o mra court na sisi a wakubu asem say wo de injunction akoto so a na wo make what or can the truth and can Japan worker no correct and worker a judges for no mebiri eyen kwasiafo me to sebe mebiri eyen kwasiafo na say wo na wasase wo ya beje wasase asase wato na almost 18 years na so obi abeje na wo de akọ na say court no o mark na Japan let be a o receive bia na say wa bu asem ne say o mema ne nkwasa ase nso bi mu a wanka ebe yode anase mu fi sika na ya na ede da fam sika ne pe ed papa what before say ubenya $100 e wa abutiri ha no na wa bre nti so obenya sika na wo de akoto na sase 18 years ni na so obi so say ne dia nti wo de aba wo judge ho na say mo 7 let bia na say mabu asem no abu asem no a me kwa woni ho me kwa wontie ono so ne side ya wonye Jimmy for judge wonye Jimmy judge na obey sa this Jimmy for judge and be sa nti kana Japan asem na wo kana say ne say kana Japan pese ye kasem no ma no na ankwa ama no nti na wo be kasa wo na asem a wo kan ye kire say mani megina wo mani mra court na wo me kan the side of the story nti wo on for the document mra na wo hwe document wo hwe ha wo simbu asem wonya judge wo ye Jimmy for eno nti say wo pese koma no kana Japan na ya mfere na megina wo kora na say sa na e bu asem say wo di obi abegina da kan nipa na wo na ba no ni ho na wo bu asem no a wonya Jimmy judge nti eno nti na kana Japan ka say partially they anase ye no partially le kwan bi so ya eno nti say wa endorse no kana Japan sa asem we since day one and wa ka say kwan ko ni anase ni problem but kwan ofa so ye na ade no na na ni nyen wo say wo de sika ekoda da obi na wo twa no say waje adam die no eno na ni nyen wo wow Penas TV nana wakogina Melody TV sorry wakogina Penas TV so aka the same thing enti wa begina ha wo tiri ena no kore na masa anya sa na tie wo emse na wontie asem no ukoti asem no na wo Penas TV so afre de Penas TV so na wo ye no wo support Canada Japan asem wo kan ye yes before say as obi epost na ade a wo de nam social media na ko hu ya na say wo tie Canada Japan asem wo kan ya sa na wo de sa ade wo ya beto na chirichiri say de wo chirichiri mu Penas TV so no wo chirichiri mu Penas TV so no is different from the wokan ewo melodies we are nana kana Japan no da bia sema wo kan since day one oni anase nya asem ne say ekwan anase nam so ye na ade na nyi ho say de wo nana wo soso woni kana Japan ya dwene say ekwan anase fa so ye na ade na woni nyi ho no the same thing ala anase amanfo soso emfa ne ma court say won soso jiji o mo sase won soso jiji eno na kana Japan ka say who come equity de ben wona ya na kaka sase e de man ko school ntimi nim sa abrofo no but me kan wo be hu de me pa kire has to come with clean hands. Who come equity who come with the clean hands we say yes enti kana Japan no obie ni ho a perfect obie ni ho ono so da bia wo ka say onye perfect but say no ono na da say wato no be 18 years e da ho a ono ho nkrata na obi so de aba wo judge wanim say ono so asase ne ne dia na wonhu kana Japan document won fra ni megina ho won 7 letter bia na wubu asem na onye Jimmy judge Jimmy sem ko ara mo de gina ho edi wo Ghana ho judges eno nkire say anas ntimi nkoye investigation emfa wo mo hu but kwan ofa so no wode aponche ekọ dada no na watwa picture wode sika koye na wo ya eno che say wo ye investigate eno che say wo ye investigate eno na kana Japan so ono de onye sa onfa sa kwan so onfa bribe sem so obe expose judges eno che say ene de kana Japan asa de madafo de okay can forget it enye sa na kana Japan patire was partially I must confess partially wo ko tie sa na ansem o kan ye no afi na wo ba penalty TV so wo arenti na ba penalty TV so na wo kan wo nka se wo kan se de wo kan wo Melody TV so I don't know wo ya sa nti na obi ase wo ya na ase de kan Japan wo penalty no obi a be ka se wo ye NDC ni no jaisa the way I was just some more would see cancer me and yes, who could see can Japan small kind. Me say who call penalty TV so. I don't know one can say yeah. Now who could defend the can Japan or penalty TV so. Who say your smart home. I don't know. The only problem could be can Japan China and then the among someone in say and yes, I can Japan edge there. Kana Japan na dwene na watch them that said the award na wadwene no a watch them say e kwan anase fa so ye investigation wo na wo so won ti ase no enye kwa papa so eno nam the same thing ene kana Japan since day one okay enti we history we history awaye de ho a wo kai kodi kana Japan chi wo mom kodi kana Japan chi ayesi wo so wo call penalty TV so enye sa na akokan ye wo call penalty TV so no wo tie kana Japan asem no who sa asema kana Japan kan no ana akọ penalty TV so no one can they said the over can Melody to say kana Japan na the way you 10 one I don't know na mo ensem bia na makofa beto na mama ye we sit am ho ele ka sa na kana Japan kan was partially anas investigation na we partially extra say kwan bi so no of support kwan bi so on support ala da bia ene first time kana Japan workers at ene first time what can I say no? Was one any problem, but a quite on so investigation. And I didn't know me, I'm team a pound Namson, many you was Sana one a quiet and answer Namson. A investigation was one in you what could you not penalty this hour? And history. We now the other say, what beginning our Canadian days are. Now we are no Sadia Kotu, the whole world say, no, air time. What they are Kotu Al Jazeera. BBC ni ha say yen and that time am say what Ghana no what could be what TV so say kurum ha journalist bi akoye sa de no dia beto Ghana TV so awo ti kwan a wonam so na enye eno na kana Japan woka ene wono so anase no o expose amanfo na obi so do obegina court say waje na sase wo ye ni say eno no na okoka wo be ne de gina kana Japan ye yutin me say ye ti asem na ansa na wa ukotie kana Japan asem okoka ye no ukọ penalty TV so wan ko ka said you obegina Melody TV so pen on say ukọ defend kana Japan adafo brabak ne be chiri se no yi because the way we see can yes na tie na sa waji judge obi ato na sase no obi so say eye ne dia kana Japan so wa hold asase for 18 years no obi abasa ede dia akwa no wadi carry akwa na court ba bia ma akwa ko file document by kana Japan ko file dia by yes akwa no document ni fake no trap U10 asako another judge say NDC judge you say one judge you na unhu kana Japan document I don't think say okay one side na wo judge asem unye jimi judge unye jimi fo enye nkwasa asem na judge no wo unhu onipa no untie the two side of the story na I don't think say wo de judgment ruling ever na judge oba say we jimi fo judge enti kana Japan na ni abra wo kan nyina ni saade enti kan bi so no was support to announce or investigation about judges. But ne kwan of faso ye no eno ni problem no announce no ne kwan of faso no eno ni problem ye nyina ye wo na wo the same problem say kwan of faso ye me wo problem wo kwan of faso ye ni investigation no untimi fa trap wo bi fa nkoye say wo de me discuss akọ say we mama no ya mache ne say wa ye no ukura na wo problem was akwan so eno na kana Japan since day one was say wo problem was akwan so eno nte say what 10 U10 Sankrofo no publish here Ghana web post one no em say this ni mo ya na mo de sanse mu ya koye politics wo ka se ma mo kan yi what's it nana me se be chiri mu yi because ukọ penalty TV so utie kana Japan asem okokan yo na tu no a ukọ penalty so no enye sei na wo said the overtime melodies yes na wo be kan enti be chiri mu yi penalty TV so okokan different story na melodies so be kan different story and the same kana Japan asem here na me sure say na wo nkotie asem a kana Japan kan yo ni na tu no so na wo de sa U10 no a Ghana web was Ghana web na dia beto no am say na wonya nkotie kana Japan anu masem ukotie kana Japan anu masem no on say wo kan different story e wo penalty TV so masa susu jeje ho susu ye ene dia kana Japan na enyim say we ase ti say susu jeje ho na nya sa na wo kura ukotie na asem no nya sa na wo kan ate nya sa na wo kan nya sa na kana Japan wo kan se partially interest HSS point bi so no yes na anas na kwan bi so so ya de e kwan bi so na kwan obi o fa so a we de na de na but so o ya de say okoye investigate judges yes sana kana Japan because the way a judge we see yes say investigate no because e could be so agiska e could be so say but untimi investigate ko dada obi na won koye investigation say wache no yes ana e kwan o nam so eye na investigation no enye kwan papa so eno na kana Japan da bi obo ho dawuro since day one nti we enye history said the owner na wo da bi a wo ka say e kwan na asenam so no eye investigation woni nya ho but eye say obekwa kwa investigate amanfo yes at untimi ko trapo obi na wo fa ko investigation eno ne kwan nam so enye no a wo na wo ka bi mesoso me problem wo sa kwan no so kana Japan o since day one wo se problem wo sa de no eno nche say o bend so anas no yes I can Japan and come back again madam yes I know kire me kotie na asem na okoka na odina tu no yes ana etie wa susu kotie na asem na okoka na tu no unu say yes ana kan Japan kire and come back oba melody susu a na wa be kan different story oko penalty TV susu a oko kan different na just atabra na unko tie kan Japan no asem na wo be kan na melody susu ukotie na asem no ukọ penalty TV so yes ana ukọ kan ya uti asem akan kan ya o se partially I must be confessed partially anas and say full support and what the amana anasi because one was se kan ya anas faso na yin kan ya faso no enye kwan papa said the one na wo kan and the judge be ukotie the two side of the story na say what the ruling ba wo kura nka be ode eno nche se anko aman yes ana kana Japan ka se judge ni asem ne ma no yes wo judge ja wo obi di no asem aba untie sa complainant no se so plenty for untie na no asem utimi edi rule ni ba ma ni untie kana Japan onya letter bia o magina court ho nka ma untie the side of the story na se wo di rule ba judge kro no unye jimi judge na wo ka wo se de wa ko yeyute anko favorite ya mo nya sa na say wo na wakoto asase 80 good years na obi se ne dia na wo de ko because of abian che ni nipa no say so ne dia be no so akotwa sika ma no obi nim na say won tie the two side of the story won fa kana Japan be dina court won tie na no masem won ne document na say wo hwe akwado kwa document na say wo so the chance akoto asase so wa ka woni mede enya nkwasa asem enye jimisem enye abodamsem na judge na oye na me se judge for na ya mko school hefa a omutimi disa mo asem sei obi di asem ba na se wontie the two side of the story unfa we megina da kam embusa na no asem unko we megina em1 na no asem a ye bu asem no eden kwasi asem no obetumi disa de we ababruchiri say obi di asem aba na wontie na no asem na chese ba ko pene de no na wa hwem ti no wo de sanction akoto we die so sa na Sam George de junction court a na wontie we asem mfa let bi ankoma electoral committee na mo de sanction judge bi age etu judges for ma boda ma na so mo jibi Wutie one side ya na mo se ya jeje. Wutie one side ya mo se ya jeje. Sana jeje adwuma. Bribe some kwana judges say organ edge. Sana landlord ni ma me twetwe sika man na mo sore a ene china wo hwesu mu asem no. Pasia sa obi a okokum nipa. Alantina no de wunyina so se na mu asem no. Na mo ye kodebra na kana Japan de ya working eno de 13th August kosi 1st September no obu asem. How many days? From 13th to 1st no. How many days? And I will judge the crow, won't tear the one side, no. Now what tear only one side, but now would you rule aba. Not be a put you to a kumobility. More than the conebra and let echna, sa Namaman Akoye Jane. Because more per brabo aje, Namama Nejane. Into no, the assembly number 2 Asheda, assembly number 2 Asheda. And I call Nejane. Say, I am per brabo, some Kwana judges for the fine. You didn't say Ghana judges and the baby brabo no more. But a quan as a fossil equity, and there's all fossil. Because all can Japan is okay, yeah. Excess of Quanagisca, another Quano. Well, yes, excess of Sergeant Corodiska, and what you really about. Because you think I said, well, you know, be back to Penanwasem. Only one side now they are judge Eddie ruling about. Who judges Uniska? Uniska, they are saying about that. What you will for San Walker. And now see right say obetimi akọ investigate will be about a kwa onam so eye investigation in enye and na asem na kana Japan since day one oka enti kire say ye mu asem na maka na Japan no nti na woka sa eye sa na kana Japan oka wo ton na munkoti na no asem ansa wo na wo na wo plot will be aba say plot no ye ne dia wo de akoma judge fine wo de akọ court judge no wontie na asem na wabu asem no a wo na nanka be yode ya atemmu a enye correct asem do woka enti se wo ye judge na we sa de kire se yes demudie bia pie enti na kana Japan we ka se okọ refer na asem se na se ko investigate ye eno kire se kana Japan ambe ndo so anas wo se partially se de wo na wo da bia wo ka partially no e kwan bi wo pe anas asem wo ye na investigate so be ye. But a quite fast way, no, Nana, what's your name? The same thing in a Canadian Japan. Eka, Nanonya, and young one welcome since day one, let there be a worker. It is just awesome. And yes, I'm a tear. Ah,